It's Workout Wednesday, and you want something light and healthy, but super fast to make so you can head over to the gym. How about a crustless Quiche Lorraine that'll be done in a flash? The best part about this Quiche Lorraine is that custardy, eggy goodness. I love nutmeg in this because it's gonna highlight those flavors of cheese. What cheese, you say? A mix of Swiss and cheddar. And this cheese is so flavorful, a little goes a long way. And I love that light, garlicky onion flavor from chives. I'm using a little bit of crispy bacon. The rest I'm keeping for later. And don't forget to make a little extra so you can snack on them. I love some ham in this as well. Just some smoked ham will do. This is that nice custardy goodness I was talking about earlier. And a lot of people think that Quiche Lorraine is named after a super smart mom with too many eggs and not enough time. But it's actually named after a region in France. It's important the aluminum foil cover under and the top as well. This way it protects the whole quiche. I've got a fresh insert here, and I'm gonna add a little bit of water. That water is gonna help steam and cook this Quiche Lorraine. Pressure's on. I'm gonna take Mika, our dog, for a walk. Look at how gorgeous this is. I'd like to say that it was worth the wait, but it took no time at all. Couple of extra crumbles of bacon that I saved earlier. Just a couple chives. Gotta cut into this. Look at that. I love how simple this is. Just alongside a green salad, it's just what I need before the gym. This is so yummy. And I don't miss that crust at all. That's what I love about it. It's a healthy twist. I love that egg. It's nice and spongy and fluffy, and all that saltiness from the bacon and the ham, and that cheese. Oh, you know I love my cheese.